Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to download Call of Duty Black Ops 6. First of all, you need to have installed Steam on your device. If you don't have Steam, guys, first of all, you need to go to Google and write this simple keyword download Steam. Then open the first result and click the install Steam button. So once your Steam will be ready, then you can open it, go to the store on the top menu, and in the search bar you need to type Call of Duty. Click the search button, and in the list you need to find Call of Duty Black Ops 6, which is right here. Click it. Scroll a little bit down, and right here you need to click Add to Cart button. Then click View My Cart. So guys, to buy the game you need to click Continue to Payment. You need to select the payment option. There will be different payment options for different countries, but most likely there will be MasterCard or Visa, so you can use your credit card. Then click Continue button and finalize the payment. Once you are done, then you can go to the library in the top menu, and on the left side you can find Call of Duty Black Ops 6 in the list, guys. Just click Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and click the install button, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the like buttons.